we are going to learn about long multiplication. Long multiplication is a method for multiplying large numbers. Let's learn about multiplying a two-digit number by a two-digit number. Here the question is 63 times by 13. Step number 1. We will multiply 3 ones by 3 ones. So 3 times 3 is 9. Step 2. Multiply 6 tens by 3 ones. Now 6 tens times by 3 is 180. So we will write 1 in hundreds column and 8 in tens column. Step number 3. Multiply 3 ones by 1 ten. So 3 times 110 is 30. Step number 4. Multiply 6 tens by 110. Now 610 times by 110 is 600. We will write 6 in the hundreds column. Step number 5. Add the products. So we will add 189 and 630. 9 and 0 is 9. 8 and 3 is 11. 1 there and we will exchange the 1. 1 and 6 and 1 is 8. So 63 times by 13 is 819.